Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix standby mode red on the iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is come to your settings. Once you're in the settings, you want to come down slightly and then select standby. Once you're in standby, you'll see at the top here standby. You want to make sure this is actually on. Then underneath here you'll see night mode. You want to tab this off. As you can see, it says underneath, standby displays with a red tint in low ambient lighting. So that should turn off that red light effect. If it's still red, I'll try turning standby off and back on again. And this should kick it into gear and get rid of that red effect. If not, come back into the main settings, come down to general, and then look if there's any software updates by selecting software updates. And if there's any software updates, as in this case there's not, then try updating, and this should sort the issue out. And the final thing is to actually turn off the iPhone and turn it back on, and this should fix the problem. So that's how to fix standby mode when it's red on the iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash a like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.